So, why do our larger brands have great mission and vision statements? Starbucks, for example, wants to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup and one neighbourhood at a time, whilst Walmart's mission is to save people money so they can live better. Having a powerful mission statement can sometimes be the difference between one business simply surviving and the other being extremely successful. And the thing is, we can show you how to create your very own in just 2 simple steps. First, we'll explain what a mission statement is, what it should do, and why you need one. Second, we'll share the simple formula that we've developed to enable you to create your very own brand's mission statement in just a few minutes. No, seriously, it will literally take us a few minutes. And as time is our main asset, let's begin step 1. So a mission statement is your brand's promise to your customers. It is bigger than simply providing the market products. It is your company's contribution to the world in some way, shape or form. Your mission statement has to do 2 very simple things. First, it should position your company in the mind of the customer. And secondly, it should give the customer a reason to buy from you above all your competitors. If this doesn't quite make sense at the moment, then please don't worry. Everything will be as clear as a window soon enough. A very clean and very transparent window at that. The type of window you can see through very easily, and you get the idea. So, do you need a mission statement to actually start a business? The answer is no. However, will having one give you a far better chance of success? 100%. The reason for this is customers want to have a reason to buy from one brand over another. As humans, we very rarely buy products logically. It's been proven that we buy emotionally and then justify our purchasing behaviour with logic afterwards. For example, we buy more clothes that make us feel great wearing them because we want them emotionally. But logically, we literally have the exact same items already at home in 3 different colours. Everyone on the planet is guilty of this. So by creating a powerful mission statement, you can give customers a reason to relate and choose your product over the competitors' products. You are simply giving your brand a distinct advantage, an advantage to encourage customers to become emotionally invested in your brand without them even knowing it. Okay, so now you know why we need to create a mission statement for your brand. Now let's create yours, and it will honestly take us just a few moments to do. In essence, all good vision and mission statements are focused around the customer you'd like to serve. It's all about service, serving people. This is the secret, so don't tell anyone. Seriously, or we may have to pay you a little visit and ask you nicely never to do it again. But very importantly, keep this in mind whilst we create your mission statement. This will be key. Your mission statement is simply 2 very simple thoughts brought together to form one sentence. The first is sharing what positive impact you want to leave on the world. Secondly, we simply state how you're going to do it. Sound too good to be true? Well, let's show you 2 very simple examples to show you we actually know what we're talking about. Remember Walmart's mission statement from before? Their mission statement fits the structure we've just shared perfectly. Don't believe us? Walmart are going to service their customers by helping them live better. And they'll do this by providing great value and saving them money. Still not convinced? Let's look at the biggest company in the world and see if theirs is any different. Amazon's mission follows the exact same formula. They state their mission is to be the world's most customer-focused company, and that they are going to achieve this by allowing customers to discover anything they want online at the lowest prices possible. So, now you believe us? Let's create yours. First, simply write down what value your brand wants to provide. How can your company deliver positive value to the world? Secondly, simply marry that to what your company does. Let's say you're a candle company called Alexa, which is basically relax spelled backwards. We made that up ourselves. And you make candles that are scented in a way that they help customers relax at home after a long day at work. Your vision and mission statement may be something along the lines of this. We empower people through the power of relaxation so that they can fulfill their true potential. It's exactly the same formula. You are helping customers reach their true potential, your positive impact, through the powers of relaxation. How you're going to do it. Take some time to explore a few different options before settling on the one that feels best to you. We hope you found this video valuable. If you haven't, then please write a very strong worded letter and send it to us via pigeon. That way, it most likely won't reach us and we can stay motivated and create more great content. However, if you did like it, please like and comment, as we really need to know if our approach to teaching is working. We really feel like we've had a great time together. We'd love to see you again sometime. Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you again very soon. Or maybe not, as you've perhaps become a world famous CEO. In that case, just let us know that you've moved on so we can find closure. Thank you.